See, if I were you, I won't marry that girl. Do you understand? I won't marry that girl because you are a second choice. You are not the first choice. The only reason why they won't marry you now because they did Lord Lamba no one marry her. Do you understand? And what it does Lord Lamba look like somebody that is responsible enough to want to be married? Does he look like he want to be married? That boy still a chop life. I can guarantee you that marriage, hiccups will go full inside. Do you understand? So this is her sending screenshots of Oluwa dollars. She'll send Oluwa dollars picture, Oluwa dollars the baby mama and the son's picture. She will send Kata Efe's picture. She will send Toby, the real Toby, and his girlfriend picture. Then she now send Chris Clown. She now said, at least if I don't know all skit makers, I knew Crazy Clown, and I know he was so proud of this lady and showing her off even before they got married. But mine was a no. I was stopped from commenting on your pictures. Even the likes initiated, I initiated it. I was like, at least let it be dropping likes for each other. If not, likes would have been a no too. How was I not reading between the line? Listen to the boys respond. Lamba said, how will you always compare me to people? How would you feel if I compare you? Should I show you people that their relationship was not out there? It's obvious that the boy didn't want his relationship to be out there. Now the boy went on saying, like, why? He went on saying, this guy dated, now he's now analyzing all the video. He started with Chris Clown. He said, this guy dated her for 10 years before they got married. He went on to the next person, Oluwa Dollar. This guy dated her for 7 years before it came outside. He went on to Toby. Toby was with her for 4 years before it came out. You just went from 1 to 10. Everything is step by step. You understand? Then she now said, don't bother, I keep bringing it up. It's as if I'm hot, I'm letting it out. Soon you won't get to hear me speak on it anymore. Immediately after this girl go meet that guy. Boom, marriage proposal. Now let's watch it. See her acting surprised, as if not the first time.
You said yes.
It's a yes, guys. Yes, with the social media life. And I don't blame her, because that's how all these influencer girls are. Influencers are obsessed. The girls, they are obsessed with having a man that is an influencer. They want a power couple situation. She was kissing her mother-in-law. She was doing this one and doing that. Until this video, that was when I said, okay, you know what, yeah, let me say something. Do you understand? Ask her if Lamba have not told her that before now, let me see my child, and she refused.
My people, there are two ways to a story. This story is just getting tiring because I started getting confused when I saw two different videos during Queen's proposal, which I'm wondering from the angle which Very Dark Man is coming from. Why is it repeated twice? Then Lord Lamba has to also make statements yesterday that he has the right over his child, that he's a private person. People always like to hear from the other side of the story without hearing his own part, stuff like that. So my own case in this whole situation, which is the same question everybody's asking, what happened between the previous relationship that led her to get pregnant for Lord Lamba and then returned back to the guy? I don't know. I wasn't there and I don't know how it happened. But if it is okay by the guy to engage the love of his life that he has once dated, why wouldn't it be okay for me? Do you get? So I don't know why people are having issues with someone that decided to carry his own cross. He wants it that way. He still loves Queen. That's what I understand from all these things. And from the look of the whole video of Mercy and her future mother-in-law and her father-in-law, he was the guy that was posting it, not even Mercy. So he is deeply in love with the girl, and I pray that it lasts long for them, because all eyes are in that relationship to see how it's going to turn out. But what do you actually think? Do you think that Queen did the right thing? People make mistakes, do you get? So I don't know what happened that must have transpired to her previous love life that made her end up with Lord Lamba and had pregnant took in for him. Let me use that word. And even at that as well, there's a skit that has been trending between her and this guy, Nasty Black. and it's more like maybe she's trying to tell a story about what happened between her and Lord Lamba. And I think Very Dark Man had a conversation with Lord Lamba for him to come out with these scripts that you can see in this video. So I also want to know your opinion and what you think, because it's already in social media, so our opinion matters. If it was a private stuff, you know, do you get? So guys, this is the gist I brought for you guys, and if you watched to this point, thank you guys so much. And if you're new here, please kindly click the subscribe and notification button, let us be friends. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you for so much for stopping by. See you guys in my next video. Bye.